Hi, hello and welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I am Amrit Kumar. Today I am excited to take you through one of our ongoing 33-year-old load-bearing home renovation project, which includes both horizontal and vertical extension at Girinagar Bangalore. Horizontal extension also helped us create space for a living area, dining zone and internal staircase. As per the client's wish, we planned 2 bedrooms, a master bedroom in the southwest and another bedroom between the east and north direction. We also included a Puja room in the northeast corner as per Vastu. The existing bathroom was already in the correct northwest direction as per Vastu. We combined the bath area and the toilet to make it more modern and spacious. For more videos on old home renovation, structural renovation, vertical and horizontal extension, bathroom renovation and interior design, please call us today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture. Thank you.